Alright guys, coming at you from the office for the beginning of this video. So I have been working my butt off on numerous things, so this video is going to be just kind of a compilation of the things that I've been doing in the shop. More time-lapse stuff, but we have been jamming, we have been working away, and it's making progress. Now since the previous video where I introduced the shop and kind of debuted it to you guys, you can see that we now have baseboard up, so it kind of completes the look up front. And as of now, I'm just kind of getting to work on all of the other things that that need to be done. The landlord has been working away on kind of getting all the plumbing and electrical taken care of, and then the paint. So we have the entire front half painted, and now we have all new drywall in back. So the whole back half is looking very complete as well. Now there's still a little ways to go, but we are making serious headway. So like I said, this video is just mainly time-lapse stuff, just showing you guys everything I'm working on and starting to create the aesthetic and the functionality of the place. So super excited about it. So I know you guys are super excited about it too. The comments and the support in the last video were really great, so I very much appreciate that. And I can't wait to show this place to you guys and really get to work in it and just up my game and just make everything better and be able to work and spread my arms out and stuff. So yeah, that's going to be great. So anyway, enjoy the video, guys. Well, after a bunch of trimming, got the sink fitted. So we still got to put the brackets on and stuff like that, and silicone and all that stuff. But I'll wait until it's actually kind of ready to be permanently mounted. So for now, this is kind of as far as we need to go. But I think it's gonna be cool. Kind of pick out some fixtures, and if I want to go crazy, and maybe put like, I don't know, like fuel caps or something like that. Make it, you know, more moto related or automotive related. Maybe put some cool touches like that on here. But for the most part, I like the idea of where this is going. So the exact same thing is going to be for the bathroom. I'll just have a really tiny sink and of course a smaller bench, and then we have another bench because I ordered the wrong size, but that's alright, we'll use it somewhere else in the shop. And then I have like a little tiny kitchen table that's also kind of this butcher block style with some cool retro chairs, and you know, we're gonna have some cool color accents throughout the place. I'm just excited to kind of get all this stuff going. It's gonna look neat. Alright, you guys know I got a new space to fill up, so I gotta start putting cool furniture in it, right? Here's the first piece. Old butcher block table. Well, not old, but some kind of vintage. Some funky chairs. So that means we got yellow. I'm gonna look for a red piece, and then of course an orange piece. So I have the shop colors on there, you know? Gotta make it all match. but this is going to be some fun stuff to do. Well, I just knocked my drill off the corner up there. Fell, hit down here. I can't tell where. Knocked the battery out and a bit off, but we're good. Subtle change, but I love it. Get some cool stuff up there. What do you think? Are you unsure about these? Big old lockers. Cleaned up. Gotta vacuum the inside, and then I'm also going to put in a bar right here. these things were kind of a tight fit. I was really worried it wouldn't clear that. And of course, I didn't have my tape measure with me, and I hadn't measured these in the past, so yeah, a little bit worried about getting them in this threshold, but Amber and I knocked it out. So these look good there. They take up kind of more space than I was thinking, but that's fine. You know, the depth of them, you can wheel in through here, and it's not in the way. Get access to your light switch. Might move it over a little bit so the door doesn't contact there. But yeah, we got our lockers. Did the hanger system in that, and then just keep riding gear in there. That'd be cool. And be ready at a moment's notice. So, starting to come together. And that is the first big piece of color in this place, and I dig it. Gia. Test fit. That's probably more where it should be.
That'd be manageable.
I'm amassing quite the wasted board collection here, so I just cut this one. High confidence with no precision. We measured more than twice. Just measured off the wrong side. Again. Because that board, we did the same thing on the previous board. We had enough. We had it in the bag. We had just enough wood where it was all going to be covered, and I just wasted a sheet. He's been calling me names the whole time.
It's not undeserved.
Yeah, really, it's not, you know. I deserve it. If anybody needs, brick house builds, build your house. You're going to have a little extra material cost, though. Okay, we are done with at least installing the floor. It took entirely too long, but it looks good. We ran out of glue multiple times and had to use questionable methods to, get it done, but we got it done. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. So, next up for this room is going to be, we're gonna have the drywall and stuff done, and have some repairs done, paint it, and we'll throw down some carpet squares, and then this room will be pretty much done. We'll start bringing in the shelves and actually moving parts in this place. And then in the next few days, I'm gonna start rolling bikes over. So in the next few days when I'm recording this, but with you guys, it's probably gonna be the same video. We'll see.
Okay.
So there you have it, making some serious headway. And beyond what I'm trying to capture here in the shop, I've been jamming away on bikes. I have been recording so much stuff, it's ridiculous. And allegedly, I might have picked up another project. I don't know, but you know, it's kind of hearsay at this point. So I've also been working on the Bandit 1200. We got some handlebars on that thing, and the whole job went sideways. In the midst of all this, I've had a lot of stuff going on. So big storm knocking down a tree in my front yard. We've had, you know, some serious stuff going on with the dogs, and just busyness at its peak. So anyway, also working on some other fun stuff for you guys. I have been requested to create some patches. So right there, I've got this new patch setup. This is going to be adhesive lined, so you can iron this thing on or go ahead and stitch it on, whatever you want. But by the time this video goes up, these things will be on the website. So I do want to get a run of hats made and actually have these things mounted on there. So look for that in time, but that will come. So also been working on something fun. Just had an idea, wanted to kind of tackle it, but a 10mm socket keychain. Another thing that'll be on the website for you guys. So just some inexpensive stuff that's just all fun. So if you guys are interested, check that stuff out there. Of course, we got the hats, t-shirts, stickers, that kind of thing. And yeah, any order is greatly appreciated. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and definitely look for more videos on the channel with all motorcycle content and stuff like that, and then of course more shop content. So hopefully the next one you see on the shop is going to be actually moving stuff in. I think that's going to be about where we're at, and I'm excited for that. It's going to start looking like a home. So anyway, I hope you guys like this one, and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.